stabbed within our souls. At this stage, we realize and accept that this problem or issue is going to stay for long and may accompany us till our graves. I'm not saying that problems cannot be solved. I mean, not every problem can be solved. No, problems can be solved, but not every. However, there are some issues which stay on in life. I mean, life is not a fairy tale or a bed of roses. Every moment and every day is a struggle, is a struggle for survival. You come out of one problem and you come out and there's some other problem waiting for you somewhere down the road. You go through the same round of emotions with each problem that you experience. Irrespective of how old or wise we are, suffering is something we all detest. Also, we may all assume we are extremely wise at the time of making a choice or a decision. However, it is time which makes us realize how foolish and stupid we have been whenever we look back. To survive through this endless suffering is what makes one a survivor. I'm sure it is very difficult to overcome regret and remorse even if you are a survivor who has survived the test of time. I wish and pray for all those who read this article or blog of mine or who are watching this video. May the Lord guide you and help you survive through your phase of suffering and trauma. Amen. My name is Rohit Dua and I'm a tarot card reader. I usually come across a lot of people who keep asking me what are tarot cards, how a reading is done, and I mean, what's the whole purpose of going to a tarot reader. Now, this article I had published a couple of months ago, and this is the FAQs, the frequently asked questions on tarot. That's the part 1 of this article. I'm going to read out this article, and any point in time there's something you do not understand, any point in time you have any doubts or you wish to go for a reading or approach me for a reading, you can always get in touch. You can send me an email, send me a number, call me on my numbers, or contact me via Skype, whichever works for you. The best way to find my contacts is search it on any search engine like Google or any of the search engines you have online. I'm grateful to Google for many things. You'll have to type down 3 keywords to search my profile and my contact details. The first keyword would be my name, that is Rohit. You spell as R for Rotterdam, O for Oscar, H for Hong Kong, I for Indonesia, T for Tango, Rohit space. The second keyword would be my last name, that is D for Delta, U for United, A for Alpha, that is Dua space. The third keyword would be tarot, T-A-R-O-T, Tango, Astrology, Rotterdam, Oscar, Tango. And once you search them, there's so many sites I'm listed on, LinkedIn, Facebook, as many as you can get, and you'll get my contact details over there. This article, the first is, what are tarot cards? What do they imply? To me, the 78 pack of tarot cards imply a book which represents life, its emotions, and every possible experience that any human soul is bound to go through in his or her lifetime. Each card represents a tapestry of emotions through a narrative which is visually enriched in the form of pictures. The cards are classified into major trumps and minor trumps, or the elemental suits. The major trump comprises of cards which gain more importance when they turn